It's time for a new kind of clean. Karcher Clean. Now the power of pressure washing is in your hands.
Yeah, you just pull it a little bit like this.
And it trails along and doesn't tip over.
I've got a power washer that's a couple thousand PSI, and this thing just smokes it.
Really nice to be able to adjust from low to high depending on the situation.
The Dirt Blaster attachment, it really blasts it. It steps it up quite a lot.
Meet the Karcher Follow Me electric pressure washer. It's lightweight and highly maneuverable, making cleaning easy and efficient. With oversized rear wheels and steerable front-mounted wheels, it easily follows as you clean over and around most obstacles and surfaces. Along with the wheels, the 35-foot power cord and 15-foot high-pressure hose let you clean up to 7,500 square feet without interrupting your work to move or reposition the power washer. Getting started is a snap. Quick connect fittings on hoses and attachments make it quick, easy, and secure. The ZedIOptimA spray wand lets you adjust the pressure by twisting the barrel of the wand. The Dirt Blaster spray wand increases the effective cleaning power by up to 50%, and both use up to 80% less water. The patented Karcher nozzle works in tandem with the non-corrosive, maintenance-free pump for unmatched deep cleaning efficiency. The onboard detergent tank is convenient and has a wide mouth for easy filling. The top of the Follow Me stores the spray wands, power cord, and hose when not in use. And the Follow Me is light enough to easily carry by its included handle.
From Generac comes the easiest way to clean with the 3100 PSI electric start pressure washer with lithium-ion technology. With its one-touch push-button start and automatic choke, getting going is easier than ever. Similar to a power tool, the lightweight lithium-ion battery will provide up to 50 starts, so it's ready whenever you need it. And the battery can be removed and charged in a cradle charger for convenience. The power dial gun features 4 application settings for optimal cleaning performance and power, right at your fingertips, along with an inverted trigger with cushion grip for extended use. The onboard detergent tank makes using cleaning solutions hassle-free, allowing you to get a superior clean unlike any other while using detergents you trust. This new, innovative pressure washer is available in 2 easy-to-use models. And for faster cleaning results, the kitted model includes a 12-inch power broom that allows you to clean up to 4 times faster. From washing the driveway to prepping for a painting project, you've got the right tool with the electric start pressure washer from Generac. Generac, the power to clean whenever and wherever you need it.
When buying a pressure washer, experience matters. That's why Briggs & Stratton has built a long tradition of being the trusted, leading engine brand for power equipment owners around the world, and is focused on building products that provide you with the good experience that you've come to expect. Featuring a durable Briggs & Stratton 1150 series overhead valve engine, this pressure washer with 3,400 max PSI and 2.8 max gallons per minute of flow delivers power to meet your tough outdoor cleaning needs. Not only does the engine have a great track record of reliability, but its overhead valve design allows it to run cooler and cleaner. It also has a fuel shutoff valve so you can shut off fuel flow for easy transportation should you need to haul it somewhere, such as a cabin or relative's home. Pair the engine with a maintenance-free axial cam pump with Easy Start technology, and you have all of the cleansing power needed for extra heavy-duty projects such as driveways, tough oil stains, or paint prep, and also for smaller projects such as fences, siding, and decks. To help complete all of these different projects, 4 spray tips offer precise cleaning patterns, including 0, 15, and 40-degree high-pressure spray patterns for deep cleaning, and a low-pressure soap tip that can be used to apply cleaning detergents. 10-inch never-go-flat wheels help you navigate through tough terrain to reach that project at your shed-out back or the fencing across the yard. Extend your reach further from the pressure washer unit with the 30-foot high-pressure hose. Plus, you can rest assured knowing this pressure washer is backed by our 2-year limited warranty and the peace of mind that for more than 10 years, we've been North America's leading manufacturer of gas pressure washers. Trust the pressure washing experts. Put the power of Briggs & Stratton to work for you.
Thank you for purchasing a Greenworks pressure washer. Greenworks is a powerful line of yard tools that make your to-do list a snap. With remarkable ease and convenience, the Greenworks pressure washer will help you clean cars, trucks, bikes and ATVs, garages and driveways, decks and patios, windows and siding. Before setting up, it's important to read and understand your operations manual, including the specific safety rules that are necessary for operating the unit. Manuals are included in the box, or you can download them from greenworkstools.com. Setting up your Greenworks 1500 is almost as easy as using it. In addition to easy storage and transport, it is equipped with a spray wand and detergent tank. Both are connected to the handle with a clockwise turn to lock into place. The Greenworks 1700 has some design similarities to the 1500, but offers additional options, including a high-pressure hose reel, several spray nozzles, and dual soap tanks. Both Greenworks pressure washers require a connection to your garden hose. This should be done before connecting to the power supply or turning the unit on. With the water connection made and the unit plugged in, you are ready to use your Greenworks pressure washer. The variety of nozzles included with the Greenworks 1700 allows you to choose the spray pattern best suited for your job before you begin. Each nozzle has a different stream and is color-coded for your convenience. The black nozzle is designed for low-pressure soap applications and should be used when using the detergent solution tanks. Remember, when utilizing the detergent tank, use approved pressure washer soaps and detergents. Both pressure washers are equipped with an auto start and stop feature. Once the power switch is in the on position, the pump will pressurize and shut down immediately. When the trigger of the gun is depressed, the unit will turn on until the trigger is released, and the unit will go back into standby mode. Once finished, turn off the power supply, disconnect the water, and pull and release the trigger to relieve air pressure. Your Greenworks pressure washer is ready to be stored. You now have the power to clean virtually anything around the house. Lawn furniture, children's playscapes, fences. It's limitless. The Greenworks pressure washer makes cleanup quick and easy. For more information on our entire line of products for the lawn, all designed to make yard work faster and easier than ever before, go to greenworkstools.com.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3000 PSI pressure washer. Great for using around the house, on your patio or deck, or in the garage. You can also clean your recreational equipment or remove stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 196cc engine with a flow capacity of 2.5 gallons per minute and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, comfort grip trigger gun, and 4 interchangeable quick connect nozzles: 0, 25, and 40 degrees. This unit also has built-in detergent tanks, as well as a unique low-pressure detergent nozzle and hose specifically for using with different cleaning chemicals and detergents, making this pressure washer as versatile as it is powerful. And the Dolly-Style body and wheel kit make it easy to transport this unit wherever you need it. Make sure to wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your owner's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the garden hose. Turn on the water source. Pull the trigger to purge the air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 3000 PSI pressure washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.